Good afternoon, guys. This is Trade Confident. My name is Travis Martin. Okay, I've got a video for you guys that I think you're really gonna like. Have you guys ever heard this, that, when Bitcoin and Ethereum go down, the other altcoins go down as well, right? Bitcoin and Ethereum are kind of like the rising tides. Well, what if I could show you with proof in here, with statistics and numbers, which coins are due to create the greatest amount of gains in your account when Bitcoin goes back up? Out of all the coins you are trading, which coins are going to see the greatest percentage increase if we go back to the same structured areas? That is what you're going to learn before the end of this video is over. Which coins you can put your money into to make the most if the market moves in the same structure. This is a video you do not want to miss. Okay, quick credit on our end. Who are we? We're a channel. We have never lost a crypto trade. I believe we hold the highest record for winning crypto trades on all of YouTube. We're at 102 for 102, and we're looking to win very close to on Matic for a trade. So when I go through this chart here, you guys are going to see a bunch of lines on here. You're going to see buy limits and break even entries. These are trades we're literally in right now. But what I want to show you guys today is this theory, and let me start with this first. You guys know, and you guys have probably seen this happen to your own portfolios. When Bitcoin goes down, your portfolio goes down. When Ethereum goes down, your portfolio goes down. It's because a lot of the coins are still tied to Bitcoin and Ethereum. A lot of them have paired off. They've branched. They forked from Bitcoin and Ethereum. They're made on those certain blockchains. I don't want to go too deep into that. I want to dumb this down and make this very simple for everybody. Watch this. This is going to bore you to death for just 2 seconds here, but I promise I'll bring this around. Look at the structure for Bitcoin. We're going to see a move down, a move up, and then a move down. Okay, this is a very simple visual structure you can remember. Look at Ethereum. Did the exact same thing happen? Yes, a move down, move up, move down. Perfect. Now, there are going to be two coins within this mix, Dogecoin and Link, that are not going to follow suit. Here's the reason why. Sometimes you will not see price structure follow suit because of a couple things. One, news. And then they're what's called a negative correlation coin. What I'm giving you guys representation of today are coins that are positively correlated to Bitcoin and Ethereum, meaning that when Bitcoin goes down, these coins usually move down with them. When Bitcoin and Ethereum go up, these coins move with them. Okay, watch this. Going down to ADA, same structure. We're seeing the move down, we saw the move up, and the move down. Sorry, that was terrible. Let's look at this. Move up, and then back down there, okay? Same structure. Look at Matic. Look at Matic over here. See a move down, saw a move up, see a move there, okay? Solana, we saw the move down, saw the move up, and then saw the move down. Link, we see the move up here. This is a negative correlation coin. So while Bitcoin was actually moving down here, obviously in a downtrend in this formation, Link was actually moving up. This is one of the reasons why I really like having Link in my portfolio. It is somewhat, not always, but it is somewhat and sometimes a hedge on Bitcoin. As Bitcoin's going down, this can go up. All right, now look at DOT. We see the same formation down, up, and down. Look at EOS. We see the same formation down, up, and down. I know you guys are like, yeah, I get it. I want to drill this home. The same formations that Bitcoin and Ethereum see, your other coins are going to see because they have a lot of ties to Bitcoin and Ethereum. Okay, up, down, down. Okay, and then we're going to end up here with XRP. We don't have metrics for this, but we're still tracking this trade. All right, now that you guys have clearly seen this formation on these coins over here, I'm now going to go through and show you guys the percentages of increase from a set date to a structure. Let me explain this. This is very important. If you understand this will help you guys get into coins that are going to be making you the most money on the next pump. Don't you want to know the coins that will make you the most money on the next pump? I have them all written down here, and I've ranked them 1 to 5. I will give you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1 being the highest percentage and 5 being the lowest. Obviously, it goes down from 5. Watch this. What we're going to do in this case study is pick a firm date. We're going to pick January 4th at 4 o'clock. You can see this right down here. January 4th at 4 o'clock. Every single one of these coins I just showed you has a yellow line there. What we're going to do is we're going to take from structure low, the lowest point in the trend, and we're going to go back to this area, giving us a what do they usually call us? Giving us basically like the framework of the study. Where's our starting point? It is 4, January 4th at 4 o'clock. Where's the low? It's going to be at structure low. And we're going to take from the structure low back to the high at January 4th at 4 o'clock. To calculate the actual percentage back to that previous structure high. Because when Bitcoin gets up here, the other structures are going to follow suit. All right, watch this. Bitcoin, to get back to the previous structure high, is on 4.4. And to get back to the high on 4.4, we're going to call it 4.4 for example, is 18.54. Ethereum, 32.79% to get back to that area. 32%. Dogecoin, obviously already passed through this, but it was 25.08. ADA to get up here was 26%. All right. Matic, 31%, blowing past Bitcoin. Bitcoin, 18.54. Matic, 31.80. Like we're talking like that's pretty crazy. Almost a 50% increase there. Solana, let's take a look at this. 32.42. Link, obviously this I didn't pull this on here. This is a negative divergence. We're going to hold that as an anomaly in this case study, okay? DOT, 34.34%. EOS, 26.19%. Mana, 24.58. AVAX in here. Look at this. 37.09%. 37. Bitcoin. Do you remember what Bitcoin was? 18.54. Same date, same structure we're going back to. Again, let me say that. The same date with the same structure we're going back to is a 37% increase in your account versus an 18.54. Okay, all right. VET, 29.55, and XRP down here, we're looking at 21.27. Okay, let's pull this back over here. 18.54. Now, if you were to go through all these coins, and I've already done this for you guys so I can call this out for you, the number one coin that has the greatest potential of gains, if structure is held true, back to this area at January 4th at 4 o'clock, number one, AVAX. AVX is number one here, and that's a total percentage of 37.09%. 37. That's crazy. That's basically double 18.54%. Very close to it, okay? The second coin is DOT, 34.34. So let me do like this. Let me go like this, and let me put a 1 over here, and then I'm going to put a 2 right here next to DOT. Okay, number 3 is Ethereum, 32.79%. Ethereum. Number 3, 32.79. Okay. Number 4 is Solana, 32.34. Solana, 32.34%. And number 5 is Matic at 31.80. Matic is number 5, 38.30. So as you can see here, if you're looking at all these coins, every single coin looks to outperform Bitcoin. Now, this raises a very good question. This then has to be asked the question of the investor. All right, and Rami, if you happen to be watching this video, man, you like kind of inspired me to do this video. We're gonna be talking about trade allocations on his portfolio. It's a coaching call I'm doing, but my thought of this was like, a lot of traders are asking themselves, okay, do I want to hold cryptocurrency to acquire more Bitcoin, or do I want to hold cryptocurrency to acquire more USD? Now, if you're trading crypto just like I am with $100,000, if you're trading like I am trading money to make money in life, to pay bills, to take my wife on vacation, to take my son and my wife and go places, to go out to dinner. I am not trading crypto to try to just acquire more Bitcoin. That's not the point. If I did, I would be trading Bitcoin, and I don't hold a single ounce of Bitcoin in here. I trade for dollars, okay? If that is your goal, then let me go through this again. I'll just name them off. AVAX, number 1. Number 2, DOT. Number 3, Ethereum. Number 4, Solana. Number 5, Matic. Those from a structure perspective, from the low to coming back to 4, will give you guys the highest gains in theory because of what we've seen based off structure of how the price moves and the flow of money behind those. So knowing that, what you can now do, once you guys have our membership over here, you guys can now come to the coins, again, AVAX, DOT, Solana, Matic, and Ethereum. You guys can come to all those coins in here and allocate some of your money to those coins, which in theory, based off this case study, will look to give you more profits in this next bull run than other coins such as Bitcoin. Some of the lowest coins, let me just call this out too as well. Some of the lowest coins you guys that we have in this case study, Bitcoin is at 18.54%. Let me look at another one here that was lower. XRP 21.27, that's a very low one. That's the second lowest, and the third lowest in here that I can find just from looking at this real quick was Mana 24.58. Okay, so I wanted to show that to you guys. Now, if you want to end this video here, great, that's awesome. I'm now going to show you guys how to trade our strategy so you can actually take advantage of these gains, all right? I don't want to just leave you here. Those of you guys who know how to trade this, that's great. Again, AVAX, number 1. Number 2, DOT. Number 3, Ethereum. Number 4, Solana. Number 5, Matic. Those are the coins you guys want to be getting into for the greatest potential gains in the next bull run. Okay, here's how you guys trade our strategy over here. What you're going to do is you're going to click into any of these coins. Funny enough, I'm going to use Bitcoin as an example over here because I want you guys to I want you guys to look at what it looks like on Bitcoin. I want to keep the others private because it's part of our membership. Okay, let's take a look at this. So what you guys are going to do in this bull run, we're expecting this to come back up to the previous structure high. Remember, we were just talking about that. Here's what you're going to do. If you say, let's have $1,000, you split this $1,000 into 4 equal portions, so $250 each. $250 is going to go at each of these buy limits. They are spread out to give you guys good risk management, okay? Once your first buy limit is hit, you then want to set up a sell limit up here in your exchange for 100% exit in case it flies up overnight and you guys just hit a sell limit and you're good to go, okay? What you want to do in the meantime while this trade is set up and you're in the trade is follow me in the Telegram channel where I'm calling exits with the indicators, okay? This is the Telegram channel right here. Sign in on your personal phone or your computer. Click this once you guys have a membership. Again, the membership is super cheap, guys. We are upping this price. It's only $49 a month. We're going to be upping this, so make sure you guys get in here. And when we do up it, we'll grandfather you in. So sign up for this today. It'll give you access to all the buy limits. Once you guys are over here and you set up the buy limits, you want to join me in the Telegram channel like I just mentioned, because that's where we're calling all of these exits. You guys, like, this is a done for you system. If you want to trade with us and like literally you probably never lose a crypto trade again if you're just following with us and you're holding, you're not freaking out, you're not selling, and you're getting panicky. If you follow what we're teaching, you follow the trades, and you follow my calls over here, I will literally walk you through how to make money in a crypto market. And while other accounts right now are down 40 to 50%, look at your account. Your account's a good case study yourself. Look at your account. I can bet the average account is down 40 to 50%. We're only down 4.3%. 4.3. Like, we're doing 10 times better on our account than other people's in the market. Why? Not to be boastful or brag. That's not the point. It's because we use very good risk management and I care about you guys. Like I've experienced what it's like to have people not use good risk management in my life, in my own family, and in people that I've coached. What it does to families when, let's just say, I'm just going to choose a dad for this. Like, don't get weird on me about this. I know men and women trade, but when a dad or the head of household is trading and they lose tens of thousands of dollars, they get upset. It makes the household upset. It makes everybody upset. They're kicking their cat. Their emotions are affecting their house. It's affecting their friends because they're losing. Guys, I'm going to teach you on this channel how you can never, honestly, you may never lose a crypto trade again once you start trading with us. And I'm going to teach you how to keep your emotions in check so you're not freaking out. And I'll teach you guys how to hold your positions and set up for good risk management. So like us, you can only be down 4% on your account instead of down 40 to 50%, 10 times that, which most people are right now. Okay, so let me end with this. The indicators you guys want to get to follow me here, and I know I didn't go over a ton about this in this video, but if you watch any other video I do, even the one I'm going to do later for Bitcoin, you'll see me using these indicators. Here's the deal on them right now. You guys do want to get these. They are 81% off right now, and you guys can snag this today, even over the weekend. Take the time on Friday to set this up. This is the absolute best deal you guys can get. Seriously, if you want to buy the indicators individually here, you want to get these three: the price, swell, money flow, trend dashboard, and trend exhaustion, okay? With all these three, you're going to get a coupon code at checkout. You're going to get 58 to 60% off. If you just get the bundle pack, you're going to get 21% off on top of the discount code. Literally, on top of the coupon code, you're going to get 21% off that, which is pretty ridiculous. That is what you guys want to be snagging over here with the bundle pack. Okay, so make sure you guys get that on your charts. This is a one-time purchase. You get them for life, and you get the source codes. And if you have watched any of our videos, that is how we predict the tops and the bottoms with crypto. That move that I was telling you guys about, this whole move that you guys visually just saw me, call here on the charts. This move down here, how are we able to call that? Trend exhaustion got high, well, money flow got high. Double confirmation, they synced up together. We got the drop. Awesome. We saw this down here. Trend exhaustion low, well, money flow low. What happened down here? We couldn't head down too much further. We started to pump up here. Why? Because well, money flow started moving up while price structure moved down. This was divergence, and this called the pump. I've gone over this many times with the other coins, so I don't want to bore you guys to death, but literally, how are we able to call this drop in the market? The previous time, just look, this isn't hidden. Everyone can see this. The previous time the trend exhaustion got in the top red section, well, money flow is high here. This is exactly where the market took a crash and how we were able to call that. We were able to call this drop here, this drop here, this drop here as well as this drop over here. You guys can see this if you're looking at the indicators. You see basically the consolidation consolidation zone here, money flowing directly out of the market. You cannot have consolidation without a dropout when money's flowing out of the market. Trend exhaustion high, well, money flow high. What happened? You saw the crash. Trend exhaustion high, well, money flow high. What happened? You saw the crash. Trend exhaustion high, well, money flow high. I know I'm repeating myself like crazy, but you saw the crash. Trend exhaustion high, well, money flow at a decent level. We still ended up seeing a move back down. And again, trend exhaustion high, well, money flow high. This is where we saw the drop in Bitcoin. This is proving to you guys, these are the most accurate indicators you can use in here. So have fun, guys. I hope this video is very educational. I know a lot of times on these videos, I'm showing you guys the indicators. You know, sometimes it feels like advertising. Can I just shoot you guys straight and just have like a family talk for like 30 seconds? The reason why I share that with you guys is honestly, there are a lot of new people who come to our channel every day, and in order for me to educate them on what the indicators do and the value of them, I show a lot of what's happened in the past. That helps us keep the lights on. It's what helps us give you guys email responses, me able to hire people and to be able to grow this business and help you guys stay in the profit and help you make thousands, if not some of you guys tens of thousands and hundreds of thousands of dollars. Allowing me to do that in the second half of the video, thank you so much for that. I want to say thank you because that educates new people. You yourself, when you first came to the channel, you guys are like, man, I love this. This is awesome. How do I get into it? You watched the second half of the video, you signed up, and now you're making money and probably never, if you followed us, you've never lost a single trade. So thank you guys. Just want to say this. Thanks for giving me the grace at the end of the videos to go over and honestly, just call it what it is. Do a little bit of advertising for our channel because I believe we've created something amazing here with the indicators and our program to help people maybe never lose a trade again in crypto. And again, like I said, to be down only 4%, 4.1% versus being down around 40%. Look at your own account. Aren't you, like seriously, aren't you down around 30 to 50 to 30 to 40 to 50% right now in your own account? Like I can bet you are. We've actually ran the statistics and we even had a trader go in and actually calculate it. They're like, look at this, Travis. If you actually came out and you bought, and anybody who FOMO'd in at the top up here down to the current prices, your entire account is down 35%. Like that's just proof right there to show you guys. 35% if you didn't use our dollar cost average entries or you didn't use our risk management. You should be down around 35 to 40%. That's why I'm saying that. Now that you guys know the data I showed you in the beginning, some other coins, if you FOMO'd into the top, you may be down a whole lot more than 35% because if you come up here and you look at the top here, and I don't actually know the exact percentage on this, so I apologize. So that's very close to 35%. But other people who came in here, and I didn't pre-do this, so I apologize. This looks a little bit messy. But structure highs up here when people are getting into this market, because I know people FOMO'd in up here and they're still holding, guys. That's not great. It's 32 to 50%. Those people who leveraged some people who leveraged who have not followed our system have already emailed in saying they've blown their accounts. Literally, I've actually answered them myself. And so I will teach you guys how to stay confident and how to keep your balance up in a bear market. And in a bull market, guys, this thing's going to go up by the tens of thousands of dollars when we hit a bull market. Be patient and wait for those movements to come because they will come. Make sure you guys get the indicators down below before they go up in price because the the price versus money flow is actually going up in price at the end of this month. So you have a few more days to get that. The membership is going up as well. And make sure you guys are in the Telegram channel because I'm giving you guys access to everything that I see and you guys will be able to trade with me. God bless you guys so much. I hope this video blessed you and it gave you a lot of good details. And again, AVAX, DOT, Ethereum, Solana, and Matic, possibly the greatest coins to be getting into to see the greatest gains in your account if we go back to that same structure on January 4th at 4 o'clock. Everything you guys need is in the description. I'll see you guys later. God bless you so much. I'll see you guys. Bye-bye.